All right, in this video, we're going to practice our sight words and the words that follow the change the Y to I and add NESS, and change the Y to I and add LY. Let's start with our sight words. Go ahead and do the word cherry. Cherry. I picked a cherry from the tree. Cherry. Cherry. It should look like this. You can hear that ch sound, and we definitely hear the r-y. It's the vowel that a lot of people miss, and it is an E, cherry. Okay, good job. Go ahead and erase. Let's try the word equal. Equal. Our basketball team scored an equal number of points with the other team. Equal. Equal. This is another tricky one. It should look like this. E-qua. You hear that Q-U sound. And then you definitely hear the O. It's that second to last letter that people miss, and it's the A. Equal is how we would say it if we were saying it the way it was spelled. Equal. Go ahead and erase. Let's try the word half. Half. We were talking about in math how a triangle was equal to 1/2 of a square. Do you remember that? Half. It should look like this. Ah. But a lot of people forget the silent L that goes in there. We don't hear that L at all when we say half. And the silent letter is almost halfway through the word. Half. Go ahead and erase. Let's try the word greedy. Greedy. Don't be greedy when you're taking stickers. Just choose one. Greedy. Greedy. It should look like this. E. And even though it sounds like an E, it's a Y at the end. Greedy. All right, go ahead and erase. We actually only have a few words that we still need to do for our sort. And let's try one that has the drop the Y at the NESS, this sort up here. And the word is going to be laziness. Laziness. When you don't clean up after yourselves, you're showing me a sign of laziness. Laziness. It should look like this. You've got the base word lazy, but when you write the word laziness, you change that Y to an I and add the NESS ending. Laziness. Go ahead and erase. That's the only word that we have on our spelling list this week that follows that rule. Let's try a couple words that follow this rule. Drop the Y and add LY ending. Let's try the word easily. Easily. I can easily help my sister tie her shoes. Easily. Easily. It should look like this. You've got the base word easy, but when we're writing easily, we write easy. We change that Y to an I and then add the LY ending. Easily. All right. It almost looks like silly at the end, but we would need 2 L's for that, wouldn't we? Okay, let's try the word luckily. Luckily, my mom remembered to bring my lunch that I left at home. Luckily. It should look like this. Look. Here's the word lucky. But if we're writing luckily, we have to change that Y to an I and then add the LY ending. Do you see what we did there? Change that Y to an I. Luckily. Go ahead and erase. We have one more word on our list that we kind of thought when we were doing our sort was an oddball, because it doesn't really follow the Y, the drop the Y, add an I ending. And it's the word bravest. Bravest. Because you can probably hear that the word brave doesn't have a Y ending, like lucky did, or angry did, or furry. The word is bravest. So start with that base word, brave, and see if you can add the est ending. Okay, it should look like this. Brave. Here's the base word brave. Now, if we were going to add our EST ending, we would have double E's. So we're actually going to drop one of the E's. That's kind of why they put this word in our sort this week, because we are technically dropping an E. But I always think about how we always are going to have that EST ending at the end of a word anyway. And there's the word bravest, and you can see it has the word vest at the end. If you are studying at home, you made your teacher so very happy that she is going to wear, this week, sunglasses. How's that for a smile? Great job.